Hello guys, today I'm going to explain you the topic of packages in Java and how are they used and how are they implemented in Java. Now I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to explain you this. So Java packages. Java packages is a directories that contain a group of similar kind of classes, interfaces and subpackages. What are the uses of Java packages? The uses of Java packages are it gives reusability, code reusability, and it is useful for maintenance and name conflict and access protection. So when we discuss about the packages in Java, we have two different types of packages in Java, built-in or also known as predefined packages that are defined previously by the system itself. And here these are user-defined packages. Here these defined packages were completely defined by the users and created by the users. So when we discuss about the built-in packages in Java programming, there were five basically built-in packages in Java programming. First thing is java.lang package. So it contains class, object, string, and thread functions. And the second thing is java.util. Util contains linked list, date, calendar, and hash table. Java.io. IO completely refers to input and output streams. So first thing is input stream and second thing is output stream. And java.net. Net refers to URL and sockets. Java.applet, it refers to applets. So I'm going to explain you how to import packages, how to import these packages. So initially, I'm going to explain you how user-defined packages are going to be implemented in Java. So I'm going to explain this user-defined packages. So let us move to the Eclipse IDE. So here I have created a package. So how to create an package here? So once we click into new, we need to create a package name here. So by clicking on this package name, we need to create a package name here. So after this, we need to click on finish. And then I have named my package as package one. And in this, I need to create some class. So I need to create a class. In this class, I need to name something. And when it comes to my program, I have named my class as x.java. So I'll explain you how packages work in Java programming. So initially, what is my package name? Package name is pack1. I named it as pack1. And in that, I'm going to create a class. So public class. What is I'll name my class name as X. And in this class, I'm going to create a method here. So public static, I'm going to return double value. So double, I'm going to give the method name as multiplication. So since I need to give this double values, double A comma, double B. So there's no rule that I need to give double values when I thought of returning double return statement here. So I can give here int statement also, but I prefer to choose double variable. And here I'm going to, so here I'm going to return this. Since I have given the return type, I need to return some values. So return A into B. So this was the error before returning this return statement. So this is the error before we got. And here I'm going to give main method public static void main string arguments, and I'm not defining anything here. Now I'm going into y package, y class. Since I have created a name class X, since I was in Eclipse workspace, I can create a class here, and my name class is my name of the class is X. So I need to create some other class which I need to get inherited. So I thought of creating some other class in the next class. So I have created this y.java. This is my second class, and it is imported from the same package. This class is derived from the same package. So package one, and in this, I'm going to create a same format. I need to create public class y. I have created some other class, namely y, and in this, I have written public static in addition. So previously in the x class, I have given double as my return type and multiplication of the two values or the two parameters. Here I have given the return value as integer, and I need to give return x plus y. I need to return the addition of two values, and I haven't given any of the main functions here. I just declared this main method and I haven't performed any of the functions here. Now this was the first package and it contains one class. And here, this is the first package and it contains some other class, right? Since I'm using Eclipse, here I need to name my class as the same class name and my class should be named as X. So here now I'm going to create a second package. It should be a second package since I'm going to import this package in some other package in some other classes. So I need to create a second package. So this is completely user defined packages. Since I'm creating a package, since I'm designing a new package, this is known as user defined packages. This was the second type to use Java packages or to handle Java packages. This was the second type of method to handle Java packages. So second thing. So I have named my package as pack2. So what is the process of creating this second package? Now I've created this new package and I'll name this as pack2. And after completing, we need to click on finish. And after creating this package 2, I need to click on package 2 and new. I need to click on class. I need to create a class to import some of the import functions. So from a different package, I need to import some libraries. So I have created a different package. And here, this is known as, so this is the way how we import a package. So this is known as explicit import. Since I have imported each and every function, each and every library from package one. So how does we know it is whether it is an explicit import or implicit import? So we can move to the Word document now. So here, this is how we can derive whether this is how we can know whether it is an explicit or implicit package importing. So here, implicit package importing refers to when we use a particular package name dot class name. So we are including some particular subclass name or some other class name that need to be get inherited or that need to be get properties that shares the properties to another packages. So this is known as implicit packages, implicit importing. And what does this explicit import package mean? So this is the syntax for explicit package importing. Import package dot star. Star refers to each and every library, each and every class from that package has to be imported into this package. So package one has to be imported into package two when we use star functionality there. So all the classes and interfaces of this package can be accessed or imported from outside the packages. So what does it mean? The package, the libraries, classes, and interfaces and the functionalities, each and every method from package one has the right to get imported into package 2 when we use this star functionality, right? So this is the difference between implicit and explicit. So if we mention a particular class name, the other class name which doesn't get mentioned will not have the access to get part into this second package. This is how implicit importing and explicit importing in importing a packages works. So this is how it works. And now we are going into Eclipse IDE. So here I'm giving this explicit import. Why did I give this explicit import? The reason is that I'm going to import two classes in this second package. If I need to import a single class, then I can just simply press Z. So since I have imported two classes, I need to give star, right? Since if I need to import a single class, I'll give Z, right? So I didn't get any error for X, but I got an error for Y. Why we got an error for Y? Since I haven't given any X here, any Y here. So there's no possibility to import class Y from package one. So to import each and every class, each and every interface, I'm going to give star here. So this is how implicit and explicit importing works. And now I have created a public class, mainly variable Z. I've given my class name as Z, and in that I'm going to declare this public static void main method. And in that I'm going to create an objects, create these objects for y obj equal to new y constructor. So what does it mean? I'm going to call this class name. Obj is my object name, and new is my keyword for instantization of an object in Java, and y, this is constructor. So I'm creating this object and constructor for the package one class two. So I've created this for class package one class two. So this is completely different package and this is completely different package, but we are importing these objects, importing these class names from package one. This is how importing of packages from user defined Java packages work in Java. So I have imported this package one. So this functionality works. In the same way, I have created an object for xobj equal to new x constructor. And here, so we got an error here. The method multiply is undefined. Okay. So, okay, double D. So where is it? X dot Java. Okay, I have named it as multiplication. So I need to change it. I think so. We'll remove the error. Yeah, the error was gone. So here I need to access it with an object. I need to store the value of this particular addition int c equal to obj dot a of 5 comma 6 add of 5 comma 6. So I'm declaring a double data type d equal to obj1 dot multiplication of 13.01 comma 16.28. So where is this int c equal to obj dot, where is this method add of 5 comma 6? So it is in y, y class. So this add function is imported here. We didn't get any error since we imported this package one, and each and every class and interface has been imported by using the star operator. The star operator plays a key role in importing all the concepts, all the classes, libraries, functionalities, interfaces from one package to another package. Right now, double D equal to obj1 dot multiplication. So where is this multiplication method? It is in first class of first package. So multiplication method. So what are those parameters here? Double A comma double B. So I need to give two double values. So I have given double values. And now I'm going to print this C and D. So what are C and D? The addition of 5 and 6. So we can expect an output of 11. And now here we need to expect the output by using this multiplication. Since this is a double value, we need to calculate this priorly. So we can expect the output of 211, 211.8028. So this is my expectation. And now we can save this and we are going to run this. So this is my output. So what is my output? 11 and 211.8028. So my expected output and my original output was same. So the received output and the expected output was same. And this is how user-defined classes work in Java. And now we are going to discuss how predefined classes work in Java. So I'm going to consider an example of math functionality here. So I'm going to explain this. So here I have declared my package name as predefined, and I've already told you how to create a package in Java in Eclipse IDE. So after creating this package predefined, I'm going to import one of the package. So what does it? What is the package name? Import static. The static keyword is used to access any of the variables. So any of the variable can access this particular imported predefined packages. So as I as I already mentioned in some of my videos, that static keyword is used in Java to support user to access any of the variable which is mentioned static keyword before it. So this is how static keyword works. And here java.lang. So previously I have showed you Java language package contains math functionality. So what does math? What are the different types of it? So java.lang contains class, object, string, and thread. So this is how it works. So in that I have math functionalities. So what does math functionality do? Addition, multiplication, subtraction, ceil function, float function, and power function, and many of the functions were included in this math. So when I remove this math, we need to add math.pow, math.max, math.ceil, math.float each and every time. So previously I have told you that packages were used to reusability. So reusability of this package names, the functionality names, we don't need to repeatedly type that in the particular code. So this is why these predefined packages were used. And now I'm going to create a public class. I've named my class as input. In this public static void main method, I'm going to print this power of 2 comma 2. So how does this power function works? It is going to return the value of 2 square now. So 2 power 2. the value is 4, and it is going to return the max of 2 comma 2. So I'll give this max of 2 comma 5, right? And here seal of 2.56, the seal function and this float function. All these were imported by using this math functionality. Here I have used this star. So all the classes, functionalities, libraries, interfaces from this language module, language package and math package have to be imported by using this star. All of the packages were to be imported by using this star. And this is how these all work. Now we can check with the output. So power of the two values are 2 comma 2, it's 4, right? 2 square is 4. And what is the max of 2 comma 5? 5. And what is the nearby value of 2.563 and floor 5? So this is how predefined functions, sorry, predefined packages in Java work while importing Java packages in a particular program. Thank you.